Good evening. It is 7 o'clock and it is July the 31st. We made it to the end of the month, and this is the first time ever that I have been consistent posting and spotlighting the holidays for 31 days. So I'm very excited, kind of sad because I started thinking at the beginning of the week, okay, what am I going to do on Friday? So I opened up this paper pumpkin box today, and out popped some cute stuff. So I usually get 2 to 3 boxes, and this month I only got 2 boxes and wishing I had got more. So I know when they put the refill out there that I'm going to be getting a refill to the July paper pumpkin called Sweeter With You. So it is really cool. So tomorrow night at 7, I'm going to come live with some alternative cards to the Sweeter With You cards. But tonight, let's go ahead and turn you down onto my desktop, and I'm going to show you my last card of the month. I can't believe it. My name is Patience, and I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in Central Arkansas. Thank you for joining me. Let's go down to my desktop. You may see my ceiling or outside, or neither if I go quick. Okay, this is the 12-page tutorial, 13 if you want to count the cover. I am checking to make sure I have gone live in the right place. So hold on, just bear with me, see if I can see that. Oh, let me refresh the screen over here. There I am. Let me share that to my VIP page. There we go. There we go. Okay, so tonight, like I said, is the last of, it's the 31st day of holidays. I did back to school. I did 4th of July. I did Thanksgiving and Halloween. And then for the past 2 weeks, I've been focusing on Christmas. So this is my craft along tutorial for the last 6 days of cards, the 26th through tonight. And it gives you all the measurements, the supplies. If you'd like to get this tutorial, just email me. And there are links in the description of everything you'll need. Okay, so here is tonight's card. I love the baubles, and we are using Jar of Joy. And Jar of Joy is a complimentary set to the Sweet Jar. So if you have Jar of Joy, if you got Sweet Jar, then you got the Jar Builder Punch. If you didn't, I suggest you get it, because our punches, when they go on back order or unavailable for a while, they are hard to get back in because they come from over the pond. Okay, so tonight, I don't know if you could tell, but this layer is embossed. It is embossed with the, what is the official name of this? Let's see. It is the Jolly Holly 3D embossing folder. And it has holly leaves and holly berries embossed on it. And so I really like that. It just makes this card look elegant. And I like that. And I did not put a sentiment out here because I love the ornaments and the baubles. I wanted the focal point to be there. And the sentiment is sending a jar full of cheer. So this could be Christmas. This could be just holidays, anniversary. It could be anything. So this stamp set will go a long way. You could put the snowman in there and make it a winter card. You know, or you could use your sweet jar and put jelly beans and cookies or hearts in there and just change up the colors. But this particular layout of card is a standard one that I use because it's so easy to duplicate with any paper. So let's go ahead and get started. I did cut a circle from the Spotlight on Nature dies, and the stamp set unfortunately is retired for Spotlight on Nature. I don't think it's on the last chance list, or maybe it was there and now it's not, but the dies are still available as of yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and get my Old Olive ink out, and we're going to put a jar on here. Got to start with the jar. Let's see, I've got that stamp. Here we go. I have to tell you about what I did today. Today is Thursday, and today is training day for Cruz. And I did not meet my usual trainer. I met another trainer in Cabot at Home Depot with another dog. And when Cruz is around other dogs, it gets a little crazy. However, I believe Cruz did really well. Okay, Secret C. Now, I don't know if you've been following me for a little bit for the last month. Secret C has been one of my go-to colors. I really love it. I'm going to stamp this somewhat in the center. I'm not worried about making sure I have the lines for the strings holding the ornaments all the way up, because remember, there's going to be a lid there. Okay, that was Secret C, and now I've got Real Red. I'm going to get my sweet little bow out that we used a lot last night. And I'm going to put that bow right on the top of the middle ornament. There we go. Okay. So that is really all we're going to stamp on this. Here is a scrap for my punch for the lid. And I do want to get some gold in there. There we go. I'm going to get my Tombow multi-purpose glue here. Is it Tombow? Yes, it is. I'm going to actually put it down on the paper. Turn this over and get my take your pick tool. Set that down like so. All right. So now we have that, and let's go ahead and put dimensionals on the back of that. Oh, wait, no. We're not going to put dimensionals. I am going to pop it up, but let's put our card together. I've got a Mossy Meadow base. I've already burnished it. And I am going to use the Season of Elegance paper. But since I have embossed this, I think that would make too much gold going on. So we're going to use the back side of this. So it's still such a pretty paper. It's basic beige and I believe crumb cake. It's got some dark going through there, but it complements Mossy Meadow really well because Mossy is a neutral color. And then we're going to put this piece over to the side. Like I said, you can duplicate this pattern or this sketch, I think some people call it, of card. And, you know, put contrasting DSP, designer paper, on there. Okay, so I cut 12 inches of this Mossy Meadow in gold. Hey there, everyone. I cut this, pre-cut this, and I'm going to just lay it like so to get it, just kind of see how I want to measure it. I'm going to put a little strip of adhesive in here, my seal. And laying it this way, you get to see both sides of the ribbon. So I like that. So let's catch, there we go. Now, we are going to pop this up, but I didn't want to put a dimensional on the back of this because I don't want it to catch this. It would stick better if the dimensionals were not on the ribbon. So let me grab some dimensionals. And I like a lot of dimensionals. I like a lot of support. It's important to have support. And thank you, Dina. The color combination is Mossy Meadow with Secret Sea and Basic Beige. Of course, got a little pop of red there. There we go. Now, I'm also going to use the same embellishments we've been using, the Charming Shimmer Faceted Dots. I can't say that very quickly. But we are not coloring these. We're going to leave them the blue. I believe this is Misty Moonlight. I'm not really sure. But if you've been watching my videos, you know that we've been coloring those. And because when you use your Mossy Meadow Dark, it makes a real pretty green. And it just goes really well. All right, so now we're going to stamp the inside. And I've got the long sentiment for the inside. And it is sending a jar full of cheer. And I hope that's pretty straight. There we go. And then I have pre-cut this Season of Elegance paper. And we're going to put it at the bottom, foil side up, because we want some sparkle. Put this at the bottom and cut off any excess if I've got any hanging off over there. I knew I did. There we go. There we go. And let me see if I can pick this back up. I didn't get it all the way down at the bottom. Got to have it at the bottom, but there's no white peeking out on my Mossy Meadow. So, back to Cruz. He did good. There was another dog that had come in beside the one that was training. And the one that was training with me today is called Roulette. And Roulette is a true service dog that was matched with her veteran. And Cruz loved her. Cruz just almost couldn't contain himself. So I took Cruz on a walk. Doesn't that look so good? Woohoo! I took Cruz on a walk and he did better once he calmed down. Okay, so that was quick and easy. Let me get you back up here with me. There we go. Okay. I think we're kind of crooked. So anyway, it went great with Cruz today. It's been hard to train this dog because he's so cute. And everyone that walked in the store, I was basically a greeter at the front of Home Depot. And all these men, Home Depot people coming in and just talking to him. I finally got him to where he would sit there and just wag his tail and sniff rather than him getting up and going to see him. So that's a good thing. Wagging his tail is wonderful as long as he doesn't get up and jerk me with him. But anyway, I really appreciate you joining me tonight. Tonight was short and sweet. These 2 cards, it's my last 31 days of holidays. I really appreciate that. You can fast forward to the card making and then turn me off when we're done. And I do not mind. That's what I do. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow night with the Paper Pumpkin, Sweeter With You. And I will have some alternative cards that I've made. And I will be posting those on my blog tomorrow. So you'll get to see those before I come live with them. So that means I've got to make them tonight. So anyway, thank you for joining me. And I hope to see you tomorrow night. Thanks for commenting. And we'll see you later.